Wow, not sure if I remember how to do this. Need a battery. Tried to go to Costco this morning and my battery's dead. So we're here at Costco to get the battery. Giving out some apples. Costco haul for a battery. Got a new battery. Today has been a crazy day. I tried to vlog yesterday. Well, I tried to go to Costco yesterday, and then I tried to go to Costco today. As you just saw, my battery was dead. So we tried to figure it out, made sure, you know, it wasn't anything else, because I haven't started my car in a couple months. So after the battery fiasco, I just decided I'm just going to go to Trader Joe's, Target, run a couple errands, whatever I need to do. So I'm going to do Costco tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. But at least I got the battery situation under control. I made a bread last night, first time in the Dutch oven. Came out beautiful, beautiful crust and everything. The bottom was a little bit burnt. I thought I was supposed to put the sheet pan right directly under the Dutch oven, but you're not supposed to. You're supposed to put the sheet pan one level below the Dutch oven. So I did that wrong. I'm going to try it again probably this weekend and see how that comes out. But I'm getting pretty good at this sourdough thing. I have the focaccia recipe. I have it perfect now, and now I have the sourdough bread perfect. So I just got to learn how to use the Dutch oven a little bit, because sometimes I get tired of having it in the loaf pan. I want it crusty all around and it like blistering. It's great. Can't go shopping without eating. So got me a little Pollo Loco tostada bowl, cilantro lime dressing. This is my new thing now. I'm starting to drink matcha. I like how I feel after I drink it. It doesn't have a caffeine crash. It tastes a little grassy, but I'm getting used to it. They have this new drink with protein powder on top. I don't know about that. I don't know about drinking protein powder. I'd rather just get my protein from meat. From chicken. Got your sour cream, your chicken, pico de gallo, and there's beans and rice down there too. I love this little bowl. Halloween's a couple weeks away. I could make all of these without any bad ingredients. Put a little sourdough in them, make them gut healthy. I also been making some really good pumpkin scones. I'll show you. Maybe I'll make those tomorrow and I'll show you guys. This looks good, but it's really bad for you. Look at how cute. Wow. Very aggressive, but you have to hold the person. Can't even get cream. without asking for them to open it. How times have changed. How times have changed. Sad, sad, sad. Sad to see that. Alright, this is the cream that I saw at Costco. It's 2 of these, 1.7 ounce midnight cream for, I think, $38.99. It's $28 for one of them. Always hard to film in Trader Joe's. Got a whole bunch of snacks. Tim loves these. Loves these. Got this to put in some sandwich instead of lettuce. What else? Never tried these before. Sesame honey cashews. Sounds good. Or these. And just a whole bunch of nuts to put in bread, muffins, stuff like that. And salami. I love this one. Got this new cheese. Creamy Toscano cheese dusted with cinnamon. Sounded really good. All right, my first attempt putting the sourdough not in a loaf pan. I cut a piece of this parchment paper and I'm gonna try to put it in my Dutch oven. Cross our fingers. We'll see what happens. All right, he's all nestled in here. It might be a fail. The first half of cooking is done and you cook it with the lid on first for the first half of cooking. So we'll see what it looks like. I'll see if I can get a shot of it. It's really hot. It puffed up nicely. Cook it for another 20 minutes. Let's check his temperature. It's supposed to be between 205 and 210. Nope, not there yet. Put it for another 10 minutes. Check it again. It's been 10 minutes. Oops, shut off. I don't want my phone to get hot. I think it's gonna hit 205. Let me take it out. Ah! Ugh. Put that back away for now. Just took him out with my gloves. He's really hot. Looks pretty good for my first try. The little hole I poked to check its temperature, but looks pretty good. Now, the hardest part. You have to let it cool for an hour. I just found one problem with this bread. Oops. Look at the bottom. Kind of burnt. Got a little burnt. It doesn't get that dark in the loaf pan. And that's why I even put a sheet pan under the Dutch oven, because people were suggesting that will help. They put a actual pizza stone or something like that underneath their Dutch oven, so that way the bread won't burn. But maybe I'll just lower the temperature by 25 degrees or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. The rest of it looks fine. We're gonna eat it. That's for sure. So it's still warm. Have to let it cool. Came out really good.
It did?
Mm-hmm.